Arjo. Okay, fine. Yes, Arjo, you can start.
Hello and good morning, everyone. I'm Arjun Desai from the third year of computer science. I welcome you all on this on the behalf of the whole DSC team. We have gathered here today on a Saturday. We have gathered here on a Saturday morning for the introductory session of Developer Student Club. Now, I would like to invite somebody who has been an integral part of the DSC community and without whose support this would not have been possible. Madhvi ma'am, our head of department, I would like you to say some words.
Thank you very much, Arjo. Very good morning, all dear students, and Happy New Year to all of you. So, myself, Dr. Madhvi Desai, Head of Computer Science and Engineering Department. I welcome all the especially first year students of Computer Engineering Department and the Workshop Department. So I welcome you all for our today's session on introductory session on Developer Students Club under the banner of Google. Okay, so and it is in our institute campus. So it is managed by students of Computer Science and Engineering Department itself. So in this particular student club, our students are organizing the events. They are also the resource person in various events like seminar, HTTP or workshop, or maybe different types of competitions, quiz. Okay, so they are organizing and they are also being a resource person regarding this thing. So to be a resource person, obviously we need to learn so many things. So by organizing this event and also our students of the various particular years, they are participating actively into all these events. So every year what we are doing into this club, 5 students of our department are nominated, okay, for the lead of campus, okay, that is for this Google Developer Student Club, and their interview and so many rounds are taken by Google itself. And for that, we are selecting these 5 students. We are not taking randomly any of the 5 students. I must say the last year, our pass out students, Adil and the whole team of him, they have done a very good work for selecting all the different students of the different fields. Okay. So what is my aim? My aim is my vision. If I can say, my vision is that all of you should be part of this particular Google Developer Student Club right now. You should actively participate and into these all events, and you just come to me or Hemang sir that okay, we want to organize this particular event, we want to deliver this event. You should come and you should tell that okay, this is my proficiency and I want to deliver my work on this particular proficiency or in this particular field. So that is our aim. And second thing is that you should feel that okay, I want to be part of this particular committee or this particular club. So that's why we are here. So again, I welcome you all. And so I feel that you show your potential so that we can nominate one of you, okay, in future as a leader, as a campus leader. So join this club and try to enhance your knowledge by participating into various events. Now, one more thing I want to say that we have a faculty mentor, that is Hemang Shah sir, who is with us, and he is actively motivating our students, and I can say that he is very good giving the cooperation to our all students. So again, I would like to invite Hemang Shah sir that gives some more details regarding this particular club to our students. Please, sir.
Thank you, Mandhi ma'am. Hello everyone. A very good morning to all. Myself, Professor Hemang Shah, Assistant Professor, Computer Science and Engineering Department, and faculty mentor of this Developer Student Club, which comes under the banner of Google, welcomes you all. Over here, I would be giving you some glimpses of our DSC club and its activities. That is, our department students are the core team members of this club, and really we are happy to share with you all that till now 35 plus sessions on the topics of new technologies are carried out, and around more than 400 students of our department only have actively participated in it. The topics of the sessions are such that which are not part of students' regular academics, and these sessions are carried out by the students for the students. I am repeating that the sessions are carried out by the students to the other students of CSE department and not by any of the faculties of the department. Members of the club are arranging online and offline sessions by carrying out different types of activities like technical competitions, online workshops, short-term training programs, hands-on sessions, technical quiz, etc. for our students of computer science engineering department and for the students of Bachelor of Vocation too. So now, without not taking much time of you, I request our DSC team members to start today's session. Hope you all will get clear idea about the Developer Student Club and its importance for you for upgrading your knowledge, which would be helpful to build a bright and better career for you in your future. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep learning in its needs of an hour. I hope you would be enjoying this session. Over to you, Arjun now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to invite our DSC lead for this year, Raj Kharwar. Raj.
Hello everyone. Good morning and a very happy new year. I am Raj Karwar, final year computer science student and developer student club lead at RNGPIT. So I welcome you to this introductory session on developer student club activities and what is the main purpose of the DSC. So yeah, next. Hello. Okay, so before talking about the developer student club, now I would like to talk about what are actually the student clubs. So student clubs are actually a community or an organization which is being created by the student, and it is being run by all the students which are studying in the college or the university. So it's actually a kind of a peer to peer learning. So each student is a core participants of this club. So this is the main motto why the student clubs are being organized in the college or the university. Next. Okay, so what are the benefits of the student club? Now you would be learning more about yourself. Suppose if you are knowing some of the technologies, now you can gain a more exposure on it by kindly communicating with your peer members or your team members or anything or any members from the club. You will also gain some practical experience in a safe environment. So you no need to pay anything for this for the participation in the club. The only fees that you need to pay is your time. So as much as you participate in the activity, you would get more exposure with the club. Second thing that you will learn you will learn about engaging with the diverse group of people. So we have many team members who are having a good experience in app development, machine learning. Some of are good at graphic designing, as well as many more. Some of are even good at web development. So you would be communicating with all the team members, and also the DSC members which are having a good knowledge in other fields will also communicate with you, and will also gain some exposure from them. Okay, so you will get a break from your studies. So basically, you will be having a lectures on the daily purposes on a daily basis. So in a free time, you can kindly participate in the club and learn something. And if you are capable enough, then you can give back to the community. So if you suppose if you have learned some new technology by conducting uh, by conducting the session, or maybe so you can directly organize a session from your side and try to communicate with the other team members and give back to them. So that's the main benefits of the student club. Next. Okay, so this is the today's agenda. So what is a DSC, what purpose of the DSC, and the benefits of the DSC. I will introduce the team members of the DSC. What are the sessions that have been conducted by the DSC, and the last, can you be the part of the DSC? So now let's talk about what is a DSC. So developer student club are the university based community groups for the students that are interested in the Google developer technologies. So DSC is actually being powered by the Google developers. DSC is actively running in more than a 290 plus colleges across the India, and also it's running all over the world. So you can check on the DSC portal that it's being running in various countries, considering that the USA, Canada, and many other. So DSC, the main purpose of the DSC. Next. Okay, so what is the main purpose of the DSC? The main purpose would be to help the student to bridge the gap between the theory and the practical knowledge. Now, as you know that you would be learning a lot in the theory lectures, but where to apply? So we are communicating with the student, and they can get the real exposure with it where it's used. Suppose you are learning something, a data structure. So now where it can be used. So that's the main purpose of the DSC. Another thing that you would be connecting with the students on the campus. Uh, Many of you would be shy enough that you would not be communicating with your juniors or the seniors, with could be any reason. But with the DSC, you can communicate with your juniors and came to know. And suppose if you have same interest in the technology, then you can directly communicate with them and ask them if they could be the part of the DSC. Another that you would be learning about new technologies. So DSC main motto is to conduct various technical events. It could be the workshops, or any of the info session, or it could be the study jams. So you would be learning a new technologies through the various activities. Yes, the main part is you would be advancing your skills. Uh, the sessions or the events that have been conducted by the in the DSC would enhance your skills and also your careers. Suppose if you are from the one of the DSC of the RNGPIT, you can communicate with the other DSC also. Suppose if you are from the DSC RNGP, you can collaborate with any of the DSC of the another colleges, and you can grow your network, that what they are learning, or what are the activities that they are performing. So that's also the main point where the DSC comes in the picture. And the last part is the give back to your community. Suppose you have any good grip on any of the technologies, or any of the technical topics, then you can give it to the another to the team members, or maybe to the DSC members, by conducting a session or any technical event uh, in the DSC. Okay, so benefits of the DSC. So you can grow your knowledge regarding the various developer technologies through the peer-to-peer workshop. So it's a kind of a one-to-one learning, where a student will guide another student, and you are free to ask any doubts or any questions regarding it, and no one would ever deny for replying or anything like that. Uh, you would be growing as a developer with the developer student club. And main part is that you would be creating a real life solution to the local problems that are occurring in the community. So you would be facing some of the issues that you could create a app or the website that could solve the issue. So that's main benefits of the DSC, that you can at least try to solve that problem if possible. And showcase the knowledge of the student. Suppose you have conducted an activity with the DSC team, so you can actually showcase your event, and say that I have conducted this session, and many of the are participated, and they have also conducted some activities. So this is the main motto of the DSC. Okay, so let me introduce to the team members of the DSC RNGPIT. Hello, Deep. Okay, so this is the Developer Student Club portal, where you will find all the activities related to the DSA RNG PIT. Here you can find all the team members that are actively participating in the DSC club. So these are the past events that has been conducted by the DSC. Now let me introduce to our team members. So we have the Visak, who is the technical lead. So he would be managing all the technical resources, or maybe some technical issues or that are being occurring in the session or in the events. We have the Deep, who is a game developer head who has a good grip in the game development. We have the Tapan, so it's managing the social media handles of the DSC RNG PIT. We have the Arja, who is the event manager of the DSC RNG PIT. Dhruvi, who is creating the posters and the banners that are being used for the DSC. Anjali, the content that you are seeing from in the DSC portal or any of the session is being managed by Anjali. Harsh, who is a app developer expert, so he has a good grip on app development, and also the Bhavya, who has a good knowledge about the web development, and also the Tejas, who is a competitive programmer and also manages some of the social media. Okay. So now the Visag will introduce about the session that have been conducted in the past few months. So Visag, over to you.
Okay, thank you, Raj. Hello, everyone. Good morning. Happy New Year. And first of all, thank you for joining us at this time on a weekend. The main reason behind organizing this session is to make you aware about the existence of DSC, what kind of role will it play in your life, in your job, as well as in your student life, and so on. So, Raj already explained the first part. Raj already explained the first part about what is the role of DSC and benefits of DSC. So, but there's no point in boasting about benefits without making you aware about the past sessions. So, let me just quickly let you through some of the sessions that we have conducted in the past 6 to 8 months. So, as you can see, the first workshop was like C programming fundamentals. Uh, then cybersecurity, cloud platforms, Git and GitHub, game development, Google Cloud, and Android. So all of these sessions were conducted by either members of the core team or some of the students. For example, the C programming fundamentals was organized by Arjav and Bhavya, whereas the Google Cloud 30 days of Google Cloud was organized by someone outside of team named Cave. So it is not compulsory that only the core team members will be organizing sessions. Even if any one of you has interest in organizing a session, or maybe you have suggestions for us, then you can communicate with any of the team members, and you can also be one of these options in the list. So all of the sessions were conducted in like multiple days, maybe 2 days or more days. Some of the sessions were like a month long, in which it was not month long workshops, but if students have any problem, then they have to complete the whole program in a single month, and they were rewarded with some goodies like Google Cloud t-shirts and bags and pen and badges and all these stuff. So now, as first year students, it is obvious that some of you might be aware of these technologies. Some of you might not be aware of these technologies, and there's nothing to worry about it, because as first year, we do not expect you to know everything, because even all of us in first year might not be knowing any of the technologies. So don't be scared about any of these names. The names might seem some more complex to you, but the actual knowledge that we provide in the workshops are really base level or fundamental level. So the basic idea behind conducting sessions or workshops is not to give you end-to-end knowledge or 100% knowledge about a particular technology. Like even if we are conducting workshops on, let's say, a cloud platform, then we are not going to give you 100% knowledge about cloud platform, because it is not possible for us to convey that much of knowledge in like a period of 2 or 4 hours, right? So the main idea is to give you strong fundamentals or a strong base knowledge, and upon that base knowledge, every one of you can build or expand your knowledge on that particular domain. So let's say after attending the session on game development, if any one of you are interested in going further expansion of knowledge in that field, right? So this will give you an option, or this will give you a space for thinking whether game development domain is of your interest or not, whether you want to make your career in game development. And of course, if you are interested in making games or in game development part, then you can then further communicate with team members, or I can say other friends of yours who are in the same field, and you can make a group, let's say, or a network, and work together on similar technologies related to game development. So this was the base idea. So don't be worried if you are right now, because for first years we have some plans which will not include like more complex technical stuff. We will start with something basic, and after that we will advance to some complex stuff, right? So don't be worried. Next. So yes, uh, what will be achieved together. So as I said, this is as Raj said, as Hemang sir said, and as Madhvi ma'am said, everything is peer-to-peer communication. So you don't have that fear of approaching someone who is senior to you. Everyone is similar for you, right? You can approach anyone from the community, and don't be shy about it. If you have any doubts, if you have any concerns about let's say some of these technologies, then on the portal you have already seen the group members and their expertise or their domain of expertise, right? So you can contact anyone from them. Your WhatsApp, we will be members of WhatsApp group, so you can get numbers from there, and don't be worried about it, right? So now Anjali will show you the portal, how it works, and what you need to do to be a part of DSC, to be a member of DSC. Okay, over to you, Anjali.
Hello, everybody. So, first of all, let's go to the portal. Yes, so this year DSC arranged this portal view for everybody so that everybody can see the events organized by other DSCs around the world and our DSC. And to join our DSC, first you need to join the chapter. The link will be pasted in the chat again. So you have to join this chapter, RNGPIT chapter, where you will see all the upcoming events and everything. So in the upcoming events, first you have to join that event. To join that event, you have to do the RSVP and fill in all the details, and you will join that event successfully. And you will also receive email regarding that event, that you have to attend that event. And so basically it is very easy for the portal, and we will also send you the steps for joining the portal again on the WhatsApp group. So WhatsApp group link will also be pasted in the comment, so that you guys can go and join that group. Now let's talk about the girls. Like, there are two female members in the group, me, myself, and Dhruvi. So basically, we have noticed that girls usually hesitate to join these clubs and stuff. So we request all the girls to take active participation in the club. And if you guys hesitate to ask or talk to any of the members, please communicate with us. We are here to solve your problems, and we can serve you our best with solving your problems. And that's all about today. And I would like to ask if you guys have any queries or questions regarding today's session or DSC group.
You can unmute yourself or write questions in chat, whatever you like. So the WhatsApp group link has already been shared in group. So maybe some of you can copy paste the link and share in your group if anyone has not joined or anyone was not able to join the meeting. And you can ask other questions also.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Someone student are not joining our session. Please accept the request.
Actually, already I had sent a message that the recordings will be sent it to you, right, in your group, because there is a, don't know why there is a limitation, because we have a educational subscription. It is free for maximum users, but today it is showing as so. So we'll be sending a recording link, right, in your class WhatsApp group, and even in this group too. You all need to join this group, right? The link is shared in the chat box for joining WhatsApp group, right? And there is a link given of a community, that is dsc.community.dev, the portal. You all need to join that, so that the upcoming events and the past events data can also be seen to you, right? And you can use it. So if any questions from your side, you all can ask, right? You can ask frankly what you want to know from us. We can surely give you answer. If you have any questions, you can unmute yourself and you can ask.
Okay, so someone contacted us through the portal and he sent a mail that how can I apply for DSC? How can I be a member of DSC as I am a first year student of software development. So yes, for being a member, it's easy. Just you have to sign up on the portal and you are already a member of DSC. You will get updates about the sessions, and whenever we will be organizing, you will receive notification or mail from that portal. If you are asking that you want to be a member of core team, or let's say the main team that we just showed you on portal, then for the first year student you might have to wait for like 1 more year, get some experience, be a part of DSC, actively participate in activities, and then you can also be a part of core team, but not currently in first year. If you however, if you have any like ideas of yours to that you want to have a session or you can give a session, then you can freely contact any of the members.
Yeah, that's true, Vishal. If you want to deliver a session, if you are knowing something extra, and if you want to deliver a session, definitely you can, right? It is not compulsory that for delivering sessions you need to be part of a DSC core team members. Anyone who is having a knowledge, right? They can share, they can arrange, they can tell me, right? Or Raj Kharwar, who is a DSC lead, right? You need to join this WhatsApp group. There you would be getting our details, contact details. You can contact us personally, and we can have a talk and discussion regarding it, and then we can arrange the session, right? And make sure that it is not compulsory to be a core team members for delivering a session. Just core team members are having a diversified knowledge, and they are going to deliver the sessions, but they are also managing all the stuff related to this developer students club, right? If you have any query, you can contact any one of them. Surely they will be giving answer. You can also call me or message me anytime. I will definitely give you a reply, right? But it needs to be going through a protocol. You cannot directly deal with someone and start delivering sessions. You need to ask us, right? You need to ask me. I'll be representing the higher authorities, and then we'll be making sure that overall you can also deliver a session, right, with respect to seeing the contents what you want to deliver. So any questions from your side, everyone? You can ask freely. Okay, fine. You need to join this WhatsApp group. You need to sign up in this DSC portal of our institute. And the furthermore details, if there are sessions in the upcoming weeks, then it would be notified to you via portal also and via in this group also. Each and every notification regarding arranging of sessions or upcoming events will be delivered in this group only, WhatsApp group also, right? And it would be posted in the portal. So definitely you'll be getting notifications in mail via that portal also. So I think there are no queries. Just it was for introductory session that such type of clubs are we are running. That is a developer student club which comes under banner of Google. And surely you can upgrade your knowledge if you would be actively participating in it. The sessions would be definitely conducted by students, right? Your colleagues only, not by any of the faculties of the department. I'm over here just as a mediator or as a filling the gap between you, right? and knowledge, nothing else. The main motto is of this group is to upgrade yourself, right, by enhancing more and more knowledge. There is no force, right, to each and every student that you need to compulsory join this was introductory session, so it was made compulsory so that you can get highlights of this club, right? You all need to, if you want to upgrade yourself, then you need to definitely join all the activities so that any of the knowledge which is somewhat required for you to upgrade yourself can be upgraded, right? So I think we are clear from our side, and no questions are from that. And already the steps are given for registering in DSC events in your chat box. You can go it in, right? It is a normal sign up process. So I think Arjo, there are no questions from their side. We will be sending them recordings, right? Okay.
Yes, sir. Deep, end the recording, please. Thanks everyone for attending.